The TM Forum assets in their current form requires a lot of investment of time and effort to get access to the real value because you have to read many documents before having an overall understanding of their scope. The lack of relationships between them makes it hard to leverage industry best practices. The turnaround time to make changes and share improvements is too long. The current member contribution process is not made to have many members at the same time proposing changes to accelerate their evolution. It is hard for members to link their own assets with them and maintain the relationship with industry best practices. Based on the work that already started at TM Forum, this project used the existing TM Forum assets called ETOM, TAM, SID, Functional Framework, Open APIs, and Metrics to identify and improve relationships to deliver a machine-readable based model by performing an impact analysis of the order-to-payment process, part of the business process value chain, called the document GB921E, down to the API level, is to show members how they can create their own machine-readable model with their own assets while keeping the link with the TM Forum assets, explaining how each member can contribute back changes to TM Forum assets to accelerate their evolution, define and show the business value of using ODA as a model for members, and is to define an adoption roadmap based on the maturity of each enterprise in regards of their architecture, modeling, and MODA adoption maturity to identify the entry point for using ODA as a model in the enterprise. So, the solution we're proposing is using AI to transform the TM Forum assets to identify and create the necessary relationships between them and create a readable model known as ODA as a model. This machine-readable model will be integrated into a tool to provide an organized way to access the TM Forum assets, simplify the search to identify and analyze each asset, understand the relationship between each asset based on the TM Forum meta model, create a consistent process flows like the ones in the GB921E document, transform business processes, data models, applications, open APIs, starting from a platform-independent model to a more specialized model to define solutions, execute simulation of real-world scenarios for helping in decision-making and strategy development, generate code to ensure consistency from design and execution, produce documentation directly from the design. Fun fact, today the forum generates most documents from a model. Show how to link TM Forum assets to enterprise assets. And last but not least, explain how to use ODA as a model to help members accelerate the creation of their own enterprise model. So for sure, I'm not alone as part of this project. Another fun fact is that there's more champions to this project than non-CSPs. We are 10 participants, 6 of them are champions, like BT, Bell, Canada, Botswana Telecom, Etio Telecom, NOS, and Zayo, and 3 non-CSP, Levio, Consortia, and Evergent, and for sure we have great support from the TM Forum team. And as a conclusion, the real power of ODA as a model is unleashed when you combine the relationships between the TM Forum assets and the common language of the telco industry. They become the North Star to create solutions that solve the real-world business problems. Looking forward to see you at the DTW in Copenhagen this June, and will be located in the TM Forum section. Thank you.